that. Okay, the NQ's got a short right here. I just took it on the down close. I'm trying to bring my DOM over and show you. It just gave me all 48 ticks on the down close right there on the NQ. Alright, I'll show you the print here in a second. It might give us another one right here. But let me write that down. Okay, it is about to give us another one. We need an up close on that bar. There, we're in the overbought. Now we need a down close on this bar right here. Right, 84.75 down to 76.75. I believe those are still right. Nope, the numbers changed. Okay, it's 80.50 now. 80.50 is what you'd be selling. Okay, now that's changed again. 90, it's going to be 82.50. 8 points below the high of the bar is what you're going to be selling. It's going to be 82.25. 82.25 is what you'd be selling on that. Okay. 82.25 here. I'll bring it over and show you. Here it is. And hopefully we'll get this right now. And it'll trigger us in and go and give us 48 ticks again. There it is. It triggered us in. Now we need 4 points to get the stop to break even. Okay, stop to break even. I'm just going to lock in 1 point on this, and there it should give us all 48 ticks right now. But I am going to lock in more right now. I don't know, 4 right there. Where are we at? 81.50 down to 77.50. Okay, we're out of this now. So that was actually 20 points. Right, we got in, I think it was 20 points. Either 20 or 24 points. Not points, but ticks. But we're out of the trade anyway. And that was it right there. That's the whole trade. Let me just check and see exactly where I did enter and exit on that. Okay. 82.50 is what we're in. 82.50 down to 87.50. So it was 20 points. Is what it was. 20 points, 20 ticks. Sorry, 20 ticks. Okay. And the one before that. I'll show you the print on that. Hold it. Now, the one before that, you guys didn't. It happened so fast you didn't get to see it. But here's the print before that. Here it is. It was 12 points. And it's about to give another one. If we get an up close on this part, it'll pull that into the overbought and it'll give us another one. So right in here, we just had this for 48 and this for 20. So 68 ticks right in there. Okay, and it's starting to trend pretty well right here. We need this bar to actually close up. All we need is to have the ribbon, excuse me, all we need is to have the ribbon be spread out so you can see all 4 lines in the ribbon. Now you'll see sometimes the ribbons will change color. Like that one right there. That just means the leading edge of the ribbon has moved up. It doesn't mean you can't see all 4 lines in it. It means you can't. The leading edge has moved up. You can still see all 4 lines in there even though they're blue. It's just like a heads up letting you know. So 91.75 minus 8, we're down to 83.75 is what you'd be selling right now. 83.75. Okay. 83.75. If this bar closes up, it's going to cancel the trade. Okay. And it looks like it probably will. It did. Okay, so it's going to cancel the trade. And I'll stop the recording, right? Oh, let me fill out the spreadsheet with what we just got. Right now on the spreadsheet, we are at 184 on the NQ. And we're still at minus 40 on that, still at minus 8 over there. On the Russell, we got 20 ticks. 20 ticks on the Russell. Alright, so we're at $720 a contract right now. $720 a contract at 10.25.